If your kitchen feels like a chaotic jumble, the ClearSpace Plastic Storage Bins can be your secret weapon. They are perfect for kitchen organization. Also, they work great for pantry storage. Imagine a neat fridge or a tidy pantry. These bins make it possible. They are versatile and clear, so you see everything inside. No more digging. No more forgotten items. ClearSpace Organize Your Kitchen and Pantry truly delivers. Furthermore, these bins fit well. They fit in cabinets. They fit in drawers. Even on shelves. They bring order to any space. Therefore, they are kitchen superheroes. These bins are like tiny transparent houses. They give your food a home. They help with fridge organization. They help with pantry organization. You can store fruits. You can store veggies. Also, snacks fit perfectly. Because they're clear, you always know what you have. This means less food waste. And it saves money. ClearSpace Organize Your Kitchen and Pantry makes life simpler. Moreover, they are easy to clean. Just wipe them down. They are durable too. They stand up to daily use. Thus, they are a wise investment. Overall, these bins are fantastic. They transform messy spaces. They make your kitchen sparkle. And your pantry shine. They are cabinet organizers too. So, everything has its place. You'll wonder how you lived without them. Finally, getting organized is easy. It's affordable too. Consequently, you will love them. ClearSpace Organize Your Kitchen and Pantry is a game changer. You will achieve a calmer kitchen. You will achieve a more efficient pantry. Pros: helps with organizing. Looks great. Clean pantry. Clean brain. Did its job. Still working. Clean and sleek. All around greatness. Fantastic for organizing. Fantastic for storage. Use for so many things. Love them. Features: clear design. Plastic material. Storage bins. Kitchen organization. Pantry storage. Fridge organizer. Pantry organization. Storage bins included. Cabinet organizers. Versatile use. ClearSpace Plastic Storage Bins are a great way to organize your kitchen. They're clear, so you can easily see what's inside. You can use them in your pantry, fridge, or cabinets to keep things neat. These bins are good for storing all sorts of items and help make your kitchen tidy. These ClearSpace plastic storage bins are an excellent choice for organizing various areas of your home, like the kitchen, pantry, or cabinets. They help keep things neat and tidy, making your pantry look clean and helping you feel more organized. These bins are sleek, durable, and versatile, working well for many different storage needs.